Move-out inspection and nail hole repair. The move-out inspection of an apartment unit begins with a thorough inspection of the walls for any nail holes or scuffs, as well as the carpet for any stains or heavy wear. This also includes a close inspection of closets, which must not be overlooked. Next, move into the kitchen and inspect the cabinets for damage, while also checking that the hinges are functioning properly. Inspect the range and oven, as well as the freezer and refrigerator for both function and appearance. Countertops must be inspected for appearance as well. Inspect the kitchen sink and faucet, as well as the plumbing underneath it for any leaks. Inspect tile surfaces for any chips or other damage, as well as the grout for any stains. Ceiling fans and light fixtures must be checked for function, replacing any bulbs accordingly. A thorough inspection of the bathroom is to be conducted, including walls, fixtures, and appliances. Inspect the bathroom sink and faucet, as well as the plumbing below it for any leaks or damage. Check door casings and moldings, as well as baseboards for any paint damage or chips. To patch nail holes, you'll need spackling, a putty knife, and in some cases a ladder. Begin by removing the nail. Then, patch the nail hole with spackling and a putty knife, making sure to fill the hole and removing excess with the knife. Once the spackling has dried, a can of spray texture will be used to cover it. Apply the spray texture in short and even strokes, making sure to cover the spackling completely and avoiding overspraying. Before beginning priming and painting, it's a good idea to place a tarp or plastic down to catch any drips. Apply the primer with an appropriate brush, using short and gentle strokes, covering all areas needed. Using a small paint roller, dip it into the paint and gently roll off any excess onto the tray. Finally, roll the paint on evenly over the primed area. Once it is dried, the repair will be finished.